Hello friends, today we will learn the Scratch Junior animation. Let's dive into the beautiful world of the Scratch Junior. Right? Today we are going to make a rainy season with the help of Scratch Junior, in which the sprites will be a lady, umbrella and a bus. So let's start. First have a look at the view. As our we will make the coding, it will look like this. A woman is there, rain started, the coding is there to have an umbrella, and then second scene is there with umbrella. She is moving and entering into the bus. Now let's have a look at the coding properly. This was the interface with the coding. Now let's learn the coding. First of all, there will be four scenes, right? In the first scene, what we will do, we have to start with the flag. Then lady will move 5 steps. Then she will go for a coat. Then again 2 steps. Again coat. And then she will move to the second scene. In second scene, she will move to 6 steps and with the umbrella and move to third scene. In third scene, she will move 2 steps. Then the coding is there. Again, she will cross the road, then enter to the bus and disappear. And in fourth, the bus will move. So this is the detailed coding of the four scenes that we can make in Junior. Scratch Junior. Again, there is a view. Again, you can have a look at all the scenes and note down the codes to make these type of codings and games on your own self. Online and offline classes are available.